Good morning. Today we are going to discuss one of the exciting assignment from class 10th and the topic heredity. Let us discuss one by one question. The first question, what is heredity? Transmission of traits or also characters from parental generation to offspring is called as heredity. So what is that definition? We'll write transmission of characters or traits from parental generation to offspring. Offspring is the next generation. Is called as heredity. Transmission of characters from parental generation to offspring, next generation. So this is called as heredity. Let us go for that of next question. What is inheritance? So just now as we have discussed that heredity, here the process of transmission of characters from parent to progeny is called as inheritance. So transmission of, we can write that a process, okay, the process of transmission of characters or traits from parent to progeny. Parent to progeny. Progeny is a next generation. So from the parental generation to next generation. The process here it is called as, here the process of transmission of characters or also traits from one generation to other generation, means parental generation to offspring is called as inheritance. Let us go for that of next question. So the next question is, what are genes? Here a pair of factors which are responsible for a characters. Here a pair of factors that are responsible for a character called as genes. Let us go for that of next question. So what is allele? Here a pair of genes that are responsible for a character. For a character. For example, if you take that the tallness, so how we will write that a tallness? Like this, capital T and capital T. So a pair of factors that are responsible for a character is called as here alleles. So pair of genes, so which are expressing a character is called as alleles. Let us go for that of next question. The next question is here, carefully observe the given figure below and answer the following questions. The first question, what name is given to the structure shown in the figure? So what is this structure they are asking here? Okay, so let us write that answer. What is this? What is this? The first answer is DNA. What is meant by the DNA? Deoxy ribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Let us go for the top here. The second question, name all the 4 nitrogenous bases that form the structure of the given figure. So, will we go for that of writing the name of nitrogenous bases? So, what are the nitrogenous bases? 4 nitrogenous bases are there. Adenine, guanine, thymine, we'll write here, thymine, cytosine, okay. So, these are the 4 nitrogenous bases which we can see that in the DNA. So, let us see that the third question here. What is meant by the third question? What is the function of it? So, what is the function of it? As we can write that answer, the third answer is, what is the DNA function? It transmits the characters or traits from parent to progeny by the heredity units are called as genes. So, transmission of characters from parent to progeny by hereditary units. These are nothing but hereditary units are nothing but genes. So, when you see that answer, once you can see here, the answers, carefully observe the given figure below and answer the following questions. The first question, what is the name given to the structure shown in the figure? This is what the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, okay. It is a genetic material. Where comes to that of next question, name all the 4 nitrogenous bases that form the structure of the given figure. Is nothing but 4 nitrogenous bases are there, adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. Whereas that third question, what is the function of it? The DNA which is transmits the characters from one generation to other generation by the hereditary units. Hereditary units are nothing but genes. That's all for this assignment. Thank you.